Kids, don't try it at home. Practice knife safety. You see me with the knife. Don't get triggered. I ain't gonna stab myself. I'm pretty good with a knife. But yeah, don't try it at home, kids. How's everybody doing? ABL here. I have a very special video for you today brought to you by BHE Designs. I'll place a link to them in the card somewhere up here, also in the box below. They have provided me with 2 wooden flags. You see the flags behind me back there? Those won't be there anymore, but the ones right here in this box, 25 pounds each, will be on the wall in their place. And what I'm gonna do today is unbox them. I got my knife, the trusty American flag. Hope you don't follow on me. The American flag knife, very patriotic for some patriotic items. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang this mic up, and then we're gonna unbox it right here on camera. All right, you may not be able to hear me too well. I may be speaking, but you might not be able to hear me. I'm gonna try to just reach this mic out a little bit so I can be heard. All right. Now this is gonna be, there's a lot of tape. Shout out to my man for making sure that it was safe and secure. Okay, we have a box on the outside and then more boxes on the inside, so it may be a while. All right, got that one box off, got some more to go. If you guys can see this right here, it says real beauty is inside, so we got that to go. But back here, this is going to be the wooden frame. This is going to be on the back, and I can hang the flag on the wall from the frame. This would be a lot easier if I didn't do it on camera, but I'm trying to hold it up for you guys so you can see it. Giving a little bit more room so you can see what I'm doing, so it's not just concealed by the bottom of the camera, because there's only so much room that I can show with the camera. There we go. We got most of it off. Let me see if I can just adjust the camera right quick. There we go. Much better. So you'll be able to see exactly what I got going on. Don't get triggered. All of the cardboard will be going to the recycling center. All right, I gotta be careful here because I don't want to cut up the actual flag or the wood on the inside. So I'm gonna be careful with cutting the plastic off with the knife. Check out the message right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says it right there look right under the microphone. It says, "To Anthony, thanks for everything that you do." My man signed it for me. Thank you for that, man. I really appreciate you. This is a great gift. Kids, don't try it at home. Practice knife safety. Used to me with the knife. Don't get triggered. I ain't gonna stab myself. I'm pretty good with a knife. But yeah, don't try it at home, kids. Here comes the fun part. I can just unwrap it nice and smooth. And back here, this is the mounting hardware, if you can see it. Oh, and there's one more message right here. Hold on, let me see if I can just lift it up right quick. I think it says, "Thanks for your support, BHEDesigns.com." Ta-da! Flag number one. That's flag number one. Got one down, one more to go. You see it behind me, but I'm gonna unveil it. Let's go ahead and unbox this as well and see what's inside. Hey, by the way, the craftsmanship on these pieces is just beautiful. Of course, you gotta have the screws. It is. It's thin blue line. I gotta get the hat in the shot, of course. So that's pretty much it. I'm out of shape, out of breath. But that's it. I mean, shout out to BHE Designs. So make sure my mic is close to me. Shout out to BHEDesigns.com. It should be up here in the card, in the box, in the title. There's no excuse. Go there and get a nice little discount. There should be a coupon code in the box. Tell them ABL sent you. Get you some flags. Get you the thin blue line. Get you the American flag. Get whatever you want. Go to his website. Check out his exquisite work. If you want to see the full video without me editing, speeding up, go to patreon.com/Anthony B. Logan. That is ANTHONY, the letter B, LOGAN. If you $1, $1 million, whatever it is per month, you can see the full video unedited. And for everybody else, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And go to BHEDesigns.com right now. And until next time, y'all be safe. I'm out. And peace. Check out the flags. I mean, come on. What can you hate about these flags right here? Look.